And for today, we are going to be teaching you on how to add videos on your Scratch. So first, I think Scratch doesn't support very large video files. And they only support GIF. So what you want to do is convert your video to a GIF and then upload it here on the website. So I'm just going to go to the proper directory that I need. Okay, so we have this GIF right here. And then after which, we are going to be doing some blocks. So let me give you the blocks. And also you're going to see it here. How many frames is it? So it's 24 frames. So after that, green flag block. All right, green flag block. And then the forever loop block. Then next costume block. Okay, where is it? Next costume block. And then let's just give it a slide of a slight cooldown period. Wait around 0.5 seconds. So if we are gonna be watching this, it should look like this. Or if the delay is too long, you could just simply set this one to 0.1 seconds. So this is how it looks like. So that's how easy it is in inserting a video in your Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.